Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Nadine and I am back with another video. Today I'm going to be vlogging for you guys. I kind of want to take you guys with me along my week because I have a lot going on this week. I do have vacation from work, so I kind of just want to take you guys along with me. I haven't recorded a video in a minute, so I thought this would be cute to kind of just put together a little vlog for you guys. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, stay a while because why not? And yeah, we about to hit the road right now. I need to go to the bank and I need to go to Ulta to pick up some skincare goodies, and yeah, so let's go. All right, y'all, so I just got back from the mall, but I want to tell you guys about what happened when I went to Zales, okay? Because people can be so disrespectful, and I feel like day by day my tolerance for human beings is just shrinking. People are so rude and it's really frustrating. I went to Zales, and the whole reason why I went there is because I needed to get my anklet repaired. I purchased the anklet from Zales about 2 weeks ago, right? And so it ended up breaking. So I was just like, okay, today I have some time. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get it repaired. So I see a lady standing at the register and I let her know, hey, I just have an anklet that I need to get repaired, right? So she's like, okay. She proceeds to go to the computer and just pull up my information so she can do whatever she needs to do to get the process started, right? So I'm sitting there and I'm waiting. And she asks me if I have a physical receipt, and I told her no, but I can just give her my information for her to put into the system so that she can pull it up. So she asked me for my phone number. I give her my phone number. She types in the number and she's like, oh, this is not correct. I don't have anything in the system saying that you purchased anything under this number. Nothing is popping up for you. I was like, that doesn't make any sense because I definitely was here and I made the purchase. You know what I'm saying? And my boyfriend was next to me and he was telling her, oh, just try again. Maybe you just put in a wrong number. Maybe you should just try again. She's like, no, I tried and it didn't work. So she's like, do you have an electronic email? I was like, okay. So I pulled it up. I showed her the electronic email, right? She takes the information from there. She puts it into the computer system, right? And from there, I guess she was able to pull up all of my information. So she reads my number to me, right? She's like, is this the correct number? I'm like, yes, that's the correct number. I was like, that's what I told you. She was like, no, you didn't. You gave me the wrong number. I was like, ma'am, anytime I tried to speak, she would cut me off. She wouldn't even let me finish. She's like, no, you gave me the wrong number and I wrote it down. Look, this is what you said to me. I was like, no, you probably just misheard me. I'm like, I know what my phone number is, ma'am. You probably just misheard me and wrote the wrong thing. She's like, no, I didn't. You gave me the wrong thing. I'm like, is this lady crazy or something? For one, we told you to try again. I tried multiple times to retell her the number, okay, so that she could write it down and try again, because I'm thinking, okay, maybe she just misheard me and put in the wrong number. She wouldn't let me. She ended up doing whatever she needed to do to move on with the process, but I started getting so annoyed and I started to be very short with her because I'm just like, miss, don't come out your face crazy to people. Okay, nobody's being disrespectful to you. Don't come out your face crazy to nobody, miss. Listen, all she had to do was say, oh, I'm sorry, I probably just misheard you and wrote the wrong thing. It's okay. We can move forward with the process. But no, she want to get ignorant with me and tell me that I don't know what I'm talking about and I don't know what I'm telling her. Sis, if you're so sure, then you tell me. People are so annoying and so ridiculous, but whatever. I'm glad it's done and I was able to, just get what I needed to get. It's supposed to be ready on the 19th. So by then I should be able to go pick it up and it should be all good. But that really just got on my nerves because there was no reason for that at all. People are ridiculous. So it is the following day, y'all, and I'm about to hurry up and head out the house to get to my nail appointment. I'm in my kitchen because I just had to hurry up and get a little something in my system because I am going to be at the nail appointment for a couple hours. So I just made sure to grab something to eat real quick because if I didn't, I would have just been a grumpy mess, child. These are my nails currently. They're so grown out. I'm gonna be getting French again. I'm just gonna get a fill-in and I'm just gonna get classic simple white French. I just feel like you cannot go wrong with French. It's professional, it's classy, it goes with everything, and it's just clean. I love a nice French. So I'm about to head out the house right now, and the next time you see me, I will be at my appointment. We're in such a rush right now. We're headed to see a play in the city, and it's at 7, and we're not even on the train yet. It's literally like after 6, right? So yeah, we gotta hurry up.
We got 4 minutes.
We got 4 minutes until the train come?
Yeah, until the train leaves, probably.
Okay.
This is an accessible station. The elevator is at the center of the platform.
Yeah.
This is a
So we left the theater. Hold on, let me fucking. The lighting be messing me up. But we left the theater. It was nice. We're just like walking around looking for somewhere to eat now. But yeah, it was a good time. It was a nice little play. It was really long. I'm not gonna lie. I fell asleep for like a good 15 minutes. But it was a cute little vibe. So we're basically just gonna try to find somewhere to eat. Hey y'all, so today is Saturday. It's actually July 2nd. I haven't recorded in like a good week. Okay, your girl been working. I've been having a lot going on, okay? But anyways, outside of all of that, I just wanted to come back and just give you guys a little update. I got a couple packages from Amazon that I wanted to open up and show y'all. I got a lot of like manicure, pedicure, self-care kind of stuff because I love getting my nails and my toes done. But especially when it comes to getting my toes done, I feel like it's very hard to find nail techs that do pedicures, like thorough pedicures. And 9 times out of 10 when they do them, they mainly do acrylic toes, and I don't want acrylic on my toes. So I decided that I wanted to purchase my own like little, you know, like mani-pedi type of set or like a kit for that kind of stuff, because it's just ridiculous. I feel like, especially when it comes to getting pedicures, it's very hard for me to find somebody who does it exactly how I like it. So I just decided to go ahead and purchase my own stuff. So I wanted to show you guys what I bought because I'm going to try it out today and I'm really excited to try it out. I'm going to start off by opening this package. This one is the biggest one. So I think this one is actually the lamb. So this one is the lamb. I got this one. It's the Sun UV 2-in-1 LED and UV lamp. So it looks like this. I'm excited. Yeah, so this is the one I got. It's cute. So you kind of just put it on the table so it's flat like this, and then you just put your hand under it. It's pretty cute. And then it also has one polish. I think this is the white one. I got a white and a baby pink gel polish because I like the neutral colors. I'm more like simple when it comes to my nails. Yeah, this is the gel polish that I got. This is the white one. Let me see. Yeah, this is the white one. See? Like that. This is the pink. These are 2 more polishes of the same brand, but this is just the base and top coat. I also got some acetone, like 100% pure acetone to soak off the gel polish when I'm ready to change my colors. And then I also picked up these from Rite Aid. This is like a 3-in-1. It's called a foot wand. It has like a foot file and like the scraper thing, and then a brush on it, like just to exfoliate your feet. And then this is like a kit that I got. It has a buffer, a brush, nail files, cuticle clips, scissors, all that good stuff in here. So yeah, I'm gonna actually try it out today because I'm really excited to see how it works. Because my toes, you guys, if I show you guys my toes, they're so grown out. Look at my feet, y'all. Like, look at how much it has grown out. I need to do my toes. They look so bad. So yeah, I'm gonna try these out today. But before I do my toes, I'm actually gonna go ahead and clean my makeup brushes because y'all, my makeup brushes are so dirty. Like, it's a mess. All these brushes that I have to clean, they're so freaking dirty. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean my makeup brushes, and then I'll do my pedicure and try out all these products. Okay guys, so these are my toes. I did French on myself for the first time and I'm really proud of myself. I think I did a really good job. It took me forever though, but I'm happy. I like how it looks, but I feel like this foot looks so much better than this foot. Or am I just bugging? What y'all think? I don't know. I feel like this foot looks better. But overall, I like them. Okay guys, so now that I'm done doing my toes, I'm gonna hop in the shower. I'm gonna do some nice body care, skincare, and just kind of unwind for the rest of the day because I do have work tomorrow and I have to bust out a 12-hour shift. And on the days before I go to work, I kind of like to get started on my body care and just like self-care routines early so that I can, you know, be done by a good enough time so that I can get adequate sleep for work. Because if you're a nurse and you gotta bust out them 12-hour shifts, you know the struggle. Okay, so I just like to get started on things like that earlier in the day so that by the time it hits like 9 o'clock, I'm in my bed, comfortable, chilling, and ready to just relax. So yeah, I'm about to just get started on that.